Hi everybody, this is Maria, and today I'm going to be doing a toy review on these classic Mego figures. Check this out, you guys. This is Wonder Woman. And I'll also be doing a review and unboxing of this 8-inch classic figure from this popular TV show. A couple of weeks ago, I was at Target when they had just completed setting up the Mego display on the end cap. I was so excited, pulled out my camera, made a quick video, and posted it on my channel. The next day I was contacted by the marketing firm who works for Mego, and they asked me if I would be interested in doing a review and unboxing. These aren't the ones that I would have chosen, so I did go back to Target and I bought another one, the one that I want. So let's go ahead and start with Wonder Woman. And so let me set this one aside. This one is Wonder Woman, and she's from the TV show Linda Carter, because it looks like Linda Carter from the TV show that I used to watch. And it says here, Marty Abram presents Mego. And then there's a seal here where it's endorsed by Mego. And then there's some warnings here: choking hazards, small parts, not suitable for children under 3, and classic 14-inch figure, official limited action figure with original detail and quality, 14-point articulation. And so there's Batman, Harley Quinn, General Zod, and on the top left-hand corner it reads classic 14-inch figure, official limited edition action figure with original detail and quality, 14-point articulation. And there says Mego there, and official license detail 14-inch character, authentic retro packaging, pose figure in any action position, original Mego toy line and quality, limited edition, numbered for collectability, collect them all. And then it has a little bit of trivia on here, and the question is, what was Wonder Woman's name originally going to be? I have no idea, but you turn this around. I love that when they have that where you turn it around for the answer. Suprema the Wonder Woman. I had no idea. Did you guys know that? Also, there's a message from Marty Abrams himself, and I think that's a really nice touch here on the box. It says, retro is back for new and old fans to play with and collect faithful reproductions of classic toys, bringing back fond memories while creating new ones. For 60 years, Marty Abrams has been an innovator in the toy business, heralded as the father of licensed toy action figures from the 70s. Marty created the original shared universe of Mego action figures who could interact in the same format. These Mego reproductions are authentic, classic characters and play patterns brought back in the true classic vision of the original Mego. Look at that. Wow, she looks bigger than I thought from the box. Maybe because the window of the box doesn't go all the way or something. I don't know, but she looks much bigger. I like her hair. Her hair right away is shiny, and as a child I would probably want to feel that. It feels really silky. So yeah, she's got muscles. She's got muscles. And so let's go ahead and have my scissors here. So definitely a child will need help to take this out of the box. So let's take a closer look at her. And so she's got her, I don't know what you call this, a lasso, and then the little bracelets. And then her swimsuit is held up by these little clear plastic straps. Oh wow, look at her back. Her back looks really nice. I love the swimsuit. I mean, who doesn't love Wonder Woman, right? Oh, and look at these boots, you guys. I thought they were painted on for a minute. I thought they were like molded on or something, but it looks like you might be able to take them off. Oh yeah. Wow, kids are gonna love that, right? Because what comes off first is the shoes. And so, I mean, if you're a collector, of course not. But, you know, there'll be kids who will want to play with these. Very nice boots. I think Barbie might be jealous of these boots. So she has all these points that you can move. I mean, when I played with dolls when I was really young, like Barbies, they didn't move at all, you guys. Their legs, they didn't bend until 1966, I believe. And so look at this. Oh my gosh. And then we just had bendable knees back then and a twist waist, but look at all of this articulation. And her hand moves. Wow. And I love that she has muscles, you guys. I mean, because this reminds me of my son's girlfriend who works out all the time. And yes, girls can work out and have muscle, build muscle. for strength. I just think that's really neat. And then she's got this headband, and is that painted on? Yeah, it feels like it's painted on, but it feels really smooth, you guys. It feels really smooth. I think she looks like Linda Carter, you guys, the actress Linda Carter that played Wonder Woman in the 70s. I love the hair. I have to say A+ for the hair, you guys. I mean, hair is a big thing, right? Her makeup is really pretty. I just love this, okay? So her arm joints move really well. Her legs move. Oh my gosh, she can do the splits, you guys. She can do the splits. I love this. I love this. Okay, I am looking at this from a child's perspective, okay? A little girl that's going to play with this. A collector, I know, because I was a collector for a long time and kept things in the box. And you know what though? But there are kids out there who are going to want to play with these, and maybe moms and dads and grandmas wondering if they should buy this for their child for Christmas. Honestly, I did not expect to like this doll. I really did not. But I am so surprised myself that I really love this doll. And definitely I would buy this. Definitely. And for $19.99, I think it's a really good price point, you guys. You're getting a lot of doll for your money. This is an 8-inch figure, and it's from the classic TV show Charmed. And these are more of the Mego dolls that I remember this size. Oh my gosh, I like the way she feels in my hand right away. This is Piper Halliwell. Her powers are molecular immobilization, scrying, I don't know what that is, mediumship, potion making, spell casting. And then it has some photographs of some of the other witches, officially licensed detail 8-inch character, authentic retro packaging, pose figure in any action figure, original Mego toy line and quality, limited edition, numbered for collecting, collect them all. And I have to say, when I saw them at Target, this is the size that really called my attention. And so let's look at the front. Again, warning, choking hazard, small parts, not suitable for children under 3, ages 8 and over. 8 and older, you guys. TV favorites. And then it has a little saying here. It says, get it, got it, good. And so maybe that's something she said. It says 14-point articulation, official limited edition. And it says this is 1 of 10,000. Really nice hair. And again, when I saw her in the package, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not really happy with her. Her hair was all in her face. But you know what, you guys? I know I'm such a big baby, but look at this. Oh my gosh, really good quality hair. A+, you guys. The fashion is really cute. Look at this tiny little belt with these little, they look like stones, but I know they're not stones, but it looks like turquoise. And she's got these really nice jeans on. Love the pockets stitched in the back. And then look at these cute little shoes, cute little silver heels. And so I'm sure you could take those off. And believe me, a kid is going to kick those off right away. So let's go ahead and take those off. And then we can show you better her feet. And you can see how they bend. I love this articulation, you guys. I can't say enough about that. It's so cool. I mean, as a kid, I would have loved this. Oh my gosh. We had our stiff-legged dolls walking around. And so look at that. On the arm, okay, it moves up and down very smoothly. And look at this. Bend the elbow. Yes, love this. And look at the hand. It moves in and out. Love this. Okay, Mego, you get another A+ for face paint. I love this. Okay, so these dolls aren't going to exactly look like the characters, the celebrities, but it's a very close likeness. And so I think they did a really good job. The one I purchased on my own is Dracula. And so this is Bela Lugosi. And again, it's just his likeness. I think they did a good job here. And so it has 14-point articulation and all of the other stuff that I just read, you guys. It's an 8-inch figure. And it says, listen to them, the children of the night. And Lugosi Enterprises. Very cool. Very cool. I would really love to see more of these Universal Classic monsters. I mean, because that's my era as a collector. That's what I would love to have. I purchased this one because right now I am into Halloween. I love Halloween. I'm all about Halloween, especially this time of year. And so this one is the one I wanted to purchase now. And I'm thinking I'm gonna have to buy him a coffin, so he has somewhere to lay down during the day. And so let's go ahead and open this up. These are so easy to open. I love toys that are easy to open, easy for kids to get to. I mean, look, a child can pull this right out of the package. Now this one, the larger one, of course, a child will probably need help. Oh my gosh, you guys, oh my gosh. I am not kidding. I'm not overreacting here, you guys, because I'm feeling this in my hand, and I had no idea this is black velvet. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Mego, you did a great job. Oh my gosh. Okay, love his hands. Oh my gosh, I am so glad these aren't just regular doll hands. Look at those monster hands. I love it. Love, love, love it. And then he's got his little jacket. He's got his white vest. There's no snap there, but that's okay. I want that to stay on. Little white bow tie, the little white collar, the cuffs. Oh my gosh, Mego, you have won my heart. And so it's lined with, it's not satin, and maybe it's rayon, not sure, but it's like a gray. The one thing I noticed here, okay, I'm not too happy about that, Mego, because he wasn't tied in there, and he's got some holes. See, the fabric has a few holes, you guys. Oops, sorry. The fabric has a few holes. I mean, I would say maybe that was maybe his Dracula fangs that bit into that, but I don't think so. So I think that's just a flaw in the fabric here. Oh my gosh, see, I'm touching it. Okay, Mego. I might have to drop a point for that, maybe half a point. And I mean, that's not a really huge big deal to me, but it might be to a collector. And so, and it might just be a flaw in fabric, because I used to work at Joann Fabric and Crafts, and sometimes you get that in fabric. That's the only thing I could see, the only flaw that I could see. And I wouldn't really call it too much of a flaw, you guys, because I am happy. And then look at his hair. It's painted. Okay. And look at that face. He's a little pale. Looks like he needs some sunlight, doesn't it? And so, good thing we live in Southern California. I'll set him out in the sun and he could tan, right? And so, but anyways, you guys, I love this. I do. I can hardly wait to get some more. Look at his shoes. Oh my gosh, look at those shoes. They remind me of shoes my dad used to have. And I almost forgot to share this miniature spell book that came with Piper. I think collectors will really love these. I think they're going to enhance your collections already, and you can add new ones to your collection, because there seems to be some out there that I don't remember seeing before. I would definitely buy some of these to collect and have fun with. And I take things out of packages, but if you want to leave them in the package too, they look really nice. For kids today, in 2018, I think kids will love these. And so that's my review. As far as if I have to give a number from 1 to 10, aside from the small flaws in the cape, in Dracula's cape, so I'm not going to really worry about that. And so I would give them a 10. I have to give them a 10 because these are really nice, you guys, and they're good quality. That's all I can say is I give these Mego figures a 10. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll talk to you later. Have fun. Bye-bye.